Hidden in the heart of Turkey lies Cappadocia, one of the most surreal destinations on Earth. The first thing that captures visitors' attention is the landscape. Towering rock pillars rise from the ground like giant stone mushrooms. Deep valleys twist through the terrain, while entire homes, churches, and hotels have been carved directly into the rocks. Millions of years ago, massive volcanic eruptions covered this region with layers of ash and lava. Over time, that volcanic ash hardened into a soft rock called tuff. Then came wind, rain, snow, and erosion. For millions of years, nature slowly carved away the softer rock while leaving harder sections behind. The result? The famous fairy chimneys, tall rock formations that look like giant stone towers rising from the earth. The most famous experience is undoubtedly the sunrise hot air balloon ride. Watching hundreds of balloons rise into the sky as the first sunlight illuminates the valleys is a truly unforgettable sight. Next, visit the Gorim Open Air Museum. This UNESCO World Heritage Site contains ancient cave churches decorated with remarkably preserved frescoes dating back over 1,000 years. Here's something incredible. Some underground cities in Cappadocia extend more than 80 meters below the surface. Historians believe they could shelter thousands of people during times of invasion. Another must-see are the Valley's Love Valley, known for its unique rock formations and stunning viewpoints. Rose Valley is especially beautiful during sunset when the rocks glow in shades of pink and orange. Pigeon Valley offers scenic hiking trails and spectacular panoramic views. If you've ever dreamed of visiting a destination that feels completely different from the rest of the world, Cappadocia might just be the place for you. Would you take a hot air balloon ride over this incredible landscape? Let me know in the comments below.